Music has no boundaries or limitations. It surpasses every barrier and every obstacle to narrate its own story. We take great pleasure at Cinema for a Cause presenting Vian Fernandes, who was with us at the Wisdom Tree Cafe in Kolkata. Vian began his musical career from the stage of X Factor India in 2011 as a part of the band Nirmiti. Vian went on to join the Kerala-based musical band Thaikudam Bridge as their bass guitarist. He's an independent artist who likes experimenting with different genres of music. Let us meet Vian Fernandes in Kolkata.
Hi, this is Vian Fernandes, currently the bassist and rapper of Thaikudam Bridge, and my journey started back in college when I was a part of the national team at university level, and I represented state, zonal and national as a director over there. And after that it was X Factor India on Sony Television, and we were the top 4 with my group Nirmiti, and from there it followed to Thaikudam Bridge as a bassist. And since then, it has been a beautiful journey traveling across the world and performing everywhere. And apart from Thaikudam Bridge, I also do my solo project as Vian Fernandes, and I'm currently working on a new album which is called Half Life. So well, all these years I've been working on different genres of music, and all my previous albums, they were like a compilation of mix music altogether, right from ambient to hip hop to everything. So somewhere down the line I wanted to work on an album which had a perfect sounding as an album and a genre that I would call like as one and not like mixed together. So we started with Kappa TV Music Mojo. I had composed 2 songs, To Be With Me and A World Undone, and that time it was just 2 songs. And after I think sometime after a year or after doing the Kappa TV Music Mojo, my dad passed away, and I had many questions, I had no answers, and that's when I started thinking deeper into life and the meaning of life altogether, and that's when I came up with the concept called Half Life. So all that I'm trying to say through Half Life is that you might see an old person who is 90 and say that, oh, he has lived to the fullest, you know, he's seen everything in life. But maybe that person, even though he has lived for 90 years, may have a small dream which is left unfulfilled. And if that dream is not complete and he dies, so somewhere he has lived a half life, because there was something within him that was left incomplete. So it's a concept, you don't have to believe it, but you might come once again in another life altogether, rebirth, to fulfill the unfulfilled desires that were left behind in your previous birth. So that's what is Half Life all about. Because throughout our journey, we have so many dreams, we have so many desires, and at regular intervals they keep changing. Like today we would be like, oh, if I get something, I would be happy, that's it. But the moment you reach over there, then you'll be like, oh, my goal is something else, that's something I want. So in the entire span of life, we have different desires, we have different hopes and dreams, and that keeps the journey going on. So Half Life is completely a serious album and a concept album. So every song is a storyline. And what I was trying to do before is I wanted to make a movie with all the songs, and that was the concept, but the budget, it was not possible. So I made the album. So every song has a story behind it and it's connected. And that's what it's. The first song is Genesis and the last song is The Voyage. Genesis means the beginning, The Voyage means the final journey. So that's how it's connected. And there are 10 songs and every song is a chapter. So when I narrate the story behind it, it's not just my story. The song kind of can be connected and can be yours in your form through your lifetime, because I believe that a story is never the main character, it's the people around him that complete the story altogether. So that's what Half Life is all about. I don't know, because what I'm doing all this while is I've been composing my solo project music, and I think it's kind of a background score to my own life. So if I want to go back to any moment and like 5 years down the line, I want to know what was I doing, probably I would listen to one of my songs and I would exactly know what emotion I was going through at that moment. So throughout the journey of my solo project, I made sure that I've put my entire journey into music. So let it be my naughty side, let it be my angry side, let it be my lovable side to the funny side, everything is present in every song. So that's what I've been doing. I've been capturing all the moments of my life through music. So if you get the background score out, I think it's going to be super dull. Probably I would be, I don't know, what, maybe a runner? Yeah. A lot of sounds that you hear around us and all the music that is created. So all the music has been inspired from the sounds that are around us, and nature itself has so many amazing sounds. So we sit at the beach, we feel so relaxed. It's one of the reasons because we hear the sound of the waves. So that's music in itself. The tree sounds and everything. So human has kind of taken inspiration from the nature to create what they are creating. So it's the energy that has been helping us to create. So all of that is present in the music that every musician creates and he lets out in the universe, and that affects. So when you listen to music, it's got a lot to do with the sound that you hear takes you back to memories. So music connects you to a lot of, so it's generally when you listen to an old song, you're like, oh, I remember this song because you shared that moment with someone or at a particular scenario or a scene in your life where you were sad or you were happy. So that's how music is constantly connected right from your birth till your death. So yeah, music is very important altogether. I've been working and I'm going to keep working, and I don't know where that ends, and that's what is going to keep me alive, and that's what the journey is all about. So to all the amazing artists that are a million times amazing these days, every artist is doing amazing stuff. So to all of you, just enjoy the process and enjoy the journey, and it's beautiful. There are going to be lows and highs and good days and bad days. All we need to keep doing is just keep moving, no matter what, just go on. Yeah.